What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, I'm tapping in, guys. It's been a jam-packed day for your boy, but I couldn't let the night get by us, man, without putting something on you guys for today. Listen, man, I want you to keep it locked. I got a jam-packed video for you guys in terms of what I want you to look out for the next, 2 or 3 days to close out this week, okay? I need to tell you guys what's going on and make sure you have a clear understanding of the inner workings of how the market works, why it's doing what it's doing, even though we're going through these conditions, okay? So keep it locked, guys. Let's go ahead and dive into it. I first want to say major salute to those of you that did your thing on the day, guys. Continue to be surgical in this market. More importantly, continue to be patient as well as manage your risk, guys. Listen, I got the VIX pulled up here. We want to just peek at this very, very quickly. Closed today up 1%, sitting at 3260. Guys, the higher this goes, the more volatile the market will be, okay? I just want to make sure that you know rhyme and reason for why things are going down in the market the way they do, okay? So listen, if this touches 34, 35, when this is going up, okay, your stocks is going to come down. I want to make sure that's clear so that if any of you are looking to make any moves, especially money moves, okay, you need to know and be aware of what's going on with the VIX, all right? It's also good if you needed an entry on when is the stock going to go down to a low price so you can know when to pick up some shares of some stocks you know, like, and love as well, okay? So just keep that in mind. As on the trading side, we like to use the VIX when it's sitting at this level because it lets us know we can do a put or a pick six, okay, when the VIX goes higher. So even if it's here, that's nothing. But if it goes to 33, 34, we already know the market is coming down. So you would do a put as this goes up to make some easy money. That's just a quick lesson for you guys. That ain't even what I got for you guys on a day. Right here though, guys, is what I want to talk to you about what's going on in the market. Everybody, classes in session, do me a favor. Write this word down as it relates to stock lingo that you need to know. This is called window dressing, okay? Not the kind of window dressing you guys might be familiar with at the store, okay, with the mannequins. This is about window dressing in the stock market. I'm going to read this, but I'm going to break it down. You know, not better than anybody else. I'm going to always make it plain and keep it simple. Window dressing is a strategy used by mutual funds and other portfolio managers to improve the appearance of a fund's performance before presenting it to clients or shareholders. To window dress, the fund manager sells stocks with large losses and purchases high-flying stocks near the end of the quarter or year. Put that in your back pocket, guys. I know very few people is probably talking about this, but that don't matter. Okay, we one big family in this finance community, so if they learning, more power to them. All right, window dressing is what's going on right now, guys. We are in a bear market. We are making new year lows in the S&P, the Dow, the IWM. But why is not the market crashing the way it should? Okay, why are they keep running the market up? That's called a pump fake. They taking it up every morning, super high, and then sell it off. Okay, listen to this, guys. Okay, take all the fancy words and off the table. What window dressing is, okay, at the end of the month, every quarter, on the 30th or 31st, depending on how many days is in a month, okay, this is the kind of manipulation stuff that go on. I just want to give you guys some game. I hope this is helpful on your journey. They need to hold up a stock price. I'm going to use Apple for this example. Guys, Apple should have failed by now. Apple is the only reason why the whole stock market hasn't crashed. But they're holding Apple up because it's called window dressing. They want to show that Apple is 150 on, to just say, the end of the month, to make it look like, oh, we were in Apple or we were in Tesla. Them the two strongest stocks in the stock market, okay? Apple and Tesla. So they're going to prop those up, even though you guys might be looking at the chart. Those of you that know how to do TA and make money off the charts, you should be seeing all the breakdowns in Apple's chart, Tesla's chart, and things of that nature. But they won't let it fully fall where it's supposed to because it's called window dressing. They need to, and they is the mutual fund and portfolio managers, they need to appear to their clients like they are in the best stock So they want that price to look decent. Okay. And then listen to this. After they show it, then the stock price gonna crash. But they need to get it to the end of the month. This happens every end of the month at the quarter. So every quarter. So January, February, March 30th. Okay, June, July, August. You guys where I'm going with that? Okay, so at the end, that's what's happening, and that's what they're doing. It's called window dressing. I want you guys to be mindful of that and how it plays a role. So if you know, like, man, they're making me lose money because I know this stock should have failed, that's what's taking place. Okay, window dressing, put that in your back pocket, guys. It's more where that came from. This game has a lot of tricks, trades, and manipulation that you need to be aware of. Also, guys, the S&P 500 sputters to another new 2020 low at stocks waiver. Just wanted to quickly put that on you guys. Let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, really quickly, I'm kicking it off with Apple. Okay, remember I just talked about window dressing. This is window dressing right here. Holding one stock up. One stock is holding the whole stock market up right now. Watch this, guys. Let's go through this. This morning, they ran it up to 154. They know it's a pump fake. This is why I can't hold, okay? That don't mean they won't keep doing it. They might do it again in the morning, okay? But just know, I keep teaching you guys this. Let it run up. You wait patiently. You see, it's because it's going to always test. You're going to see it hit 154, then kind of fall, then go back to 154. That's your two test theory right there, where you like, okay, boom, it hit this level, or it might be 155 tomorrow, or it might be 153. But just pay attention to what you see, because if you buy a put when it does this, look at this fall from 154 all the way to 149.97. But they did not let this go under. They let it go 3 cents under 150, and then hurry up and propped it back up, ran it back up to 152. This is called window dressing, guys. Okay, they're trying to make the stock appear to be doing better than it should. Apple is about to get crushed, though. You can't keep playing these games forever. I'm just trying to make sure you guys understand what's going on. The SPY is already breaking down. We're gonna talk about that next. Apple is the only reason it's not down more. I'm talking about the SPY, okay? But as soon as Apple break, the rest of the market is going. So all your other stocks is going to fall too. Just a heads up. So make money off that. Use this intel to your advantage, all right? But listen, guys, really quickly, for those that want to make some money on tomorrow, Apple tomorrow to the upside will go to 153 to 154 once again. But to the downside, it will, of course, retest the 151 level, okay, to the downside. We're waiting to see if we get a break. If we do, okay, you guys already know what to do. It's going lower, 147, and then it's going to show a lot of strength there, and the new range will be 147 to 150, okay? But react to what you see. Don't jump out the gate too quick. Don't jump off the porch too fast. I need you to make sure you see these things before, and then I want to make sure you react and then knock it out the park for me, okay? Next, guys, I'm going to go look at SPY, because SPY made a new year low today. Check this out, guys. It's sitting at 363.50. This too is pump faking and window dressing. They doing both with the SPY, okay? Let me just take you down here. Look at this, 361. Let's go look at the low of the day, 360.88. Okay, check this out. It made a new low. All right, it finally broke 362, then today it hit 361. Okay, so sitting down here, it was quick because you see they try to make it bounce. Really quick lesson, guys. When something hit a critical support, typically it's going to get a bounce. Okay, of course, I don't want you to just randomly jump in like that, but understand it's an opportunity to buy a call off of support for a quick bounce. But you want to confirm the bounce and want to make sure it ain't going lower. So on these plays I teach about every day, they have strong support levels. Support, remember, is to the downside. That's the floor. That's the bottom temporarily until it breaks. Okay, but look at this. It hits 361, boom, and then bounce back up to 362.65. Okay, it hit 361 and then bounce up to 362.42. It hit 361 and then bounce way up here to 364. Every time a stock hits support, it's called a test, guys. We always want to. This happens on a resistance side too. When it hits a resistance, that's why we do pick sixes around here. When it hit the top, we know it's coming down. But when it hits support, it's going to bounce up. So you would buy a call here. And these are some nice little easy money plays from 361 to 362. This was a really good one from 361.52 all the way to 364. That's some good money right there. Even to close out the day at 340, it bounced and then closed the day a whole dollar up. Okay, when you learn this, you can begin to dominate the game. Okay, listen guys, I know I put a lot of information on you. I just want to make sure I'm doing what I can and make sure I'm walking alongside you guys on this journey. And I also want to see you guys make some huge money moves off of these things. Even if it don't come tomorrow, I want to let the information sink in so that you begin to apply it, then take advantage of it, and then continue to build your wealth. Okay, with that being said guys, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.